contractor working towards this milestone is getting traffic shifted so they can start collecting tolls. It's all hands on deck right now to meet the milestone. I've been in the highway construction industry about 37 years. I came to Hill specifically for this project. I was very excited for the opportunity that Hill gave me to work on a project that's very close to my home. Just the sense of accomplishment of working on such a big project like this that is going to be something that I'm going to be still living in the area and be proud of to say that I was involved with this project.
So before I came to Hill, I was a claims consultant. That's where I kind of started out. And so I've worked, I'd spent a lot of years doing claims and also research and development. So I really was interested in getting back into the project side and really putting all of that to use. The opportunity to work for Hill on the project side came up. I really jumped at it. It was perfect timing, and I was able to jump into their big projects. This bridge certainly solves the congestion issue. It has vastly improved the interchanges on either side of the bridge in the PA and the Jersey side. In addition to that, it's a beautiful structure. There was a lot of thought and detail into all the architectural treatments that are on this bridge. For the local community, the bikers and the joggers and the dog walkers, it's really something that they can integrate into their community and become a part of their community.
It has its pluses and minuses living close to the project, but I sort of knew what I was signing up for, that anytime there was issues that came up that I knew the right person I could contact, had expertise to consult with if I needed to for the specifics of the PennDOT requirements. And looking at this as my retirement project and something I'm going to be very proud of for many, many years to come. Hi, I'm Dave Palmer.
I'm Megan Clayton with Hill International on the PA approach side for the Scudder Falls Bridge Replacement Project.